Hi guys, Richard Butler here, and I wanted to update you on my adventures with the Insta360 Go. Now remember, if this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button, press that bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. So the Insta360 Go, the smallest and lightest steadycam that is available, supposedly, but is it any good? This is the big question that people have been asking. Well, I did some tests. You can see them in the other videos. There's a link just above you to my original review video. But what I wanted to test was the interval shooting. Now, interval shooting is where you set up the camera. It has to be set up from the app with the Bluetooth controller, but you set up the camera to take a 15 or 30-second video clip every X amount of minutes. So you can have it every minute, every 3 minutes, every 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I think it goes up to every hour, and then as far as once a day. The camera takes the 15-second or 30-second video and then shuts off. And then X minutes later, it turns back on, and then it takes another video clip and then shuts off. And this continues until you manually close it down or until it reaches a certain limit as set in the software. So is it any good? Well, I'm going to show you some sample footage that I took. Now, the only editing I've done on this sample footage is, well, the app has done the editing with the flash cuts, and I'll talk about that just in a second. So let's watch the footage and then let's see what you think. Okay, so what did you think of the footage? I thought the quality was pretty good. I think it did a good job at recording. So there's a couple of things I've noticed. The first one is that you have to be careful where you place the camera because, for example, I usually have like a satchel that I wear, and if I place the camera on the strap of the satchel, it's okay. But sometimes if I go like that, my beard appears in shot. So you need to practice that, I think, before doing interval shooting. Make sure that you do some practice shots just to get the right height of where the camera should go. If you take out your glasses and look at your phone, again, that could be caught by the actual camera because you forget that it's actually there. And that's the key. You forget the camera's there and you go around as normal and the camera just keeps taking clips. Now, the great thing is that then you see how exciting or how boring your daily life is. But I think this is a good travel camera. When you're out and about, rather than having your smartphone out, you can just let the camera do its thing. Now, a couple of things I was thinking. It'd be quite interesting, and I will do it, of just wear it for the day and then see the type of footage that comes out. Now, when the footage comes out and you've downloaded it onto your smartphone, well, then the software takes over. Now, what the software can do is the software can just take 17 clips that it randomly decides and it puts them all together and it puts the different transitions. Now, the advantage of that is that sometimes it looks really nice and sometimes the things aren't in the order that you took them, and it makes for very interesting viewing. What the actual app will also do is, rather than have 15 seconds of footage and another 15, it will use its AI to cut that footage or to do the flash cut. So you might get 2 seconds of one, 4 seconds of another, 7 seconds of another, and it automatically does that. And you still have full manual control that you can go back and you can edit the footage and you can make it longer, you can put in transitions, etc. But I think to share on social media, my day in New York, my day in Dublin, watch out for that. You will see a video of me in Dublin over the next couple of weeks. But for social media, it is perfect. For Instagram stories, for Facebook stories, etc. You're not going to film a full movie or documentary on this. Now, maybe somebody will come up and do it. But for personal vlogging or personal sort of videos, I think it's ideal. And I will come back to you with the next part of this video where I will have used it in Ireland for about 4 or 5 days, and I'll put all the footage together and we'll see what happens. So listen, if you have any questions, please let me know. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel, click on the bell to be notified, and give me a like. Let me know what you think of the videos. What other questions do you have that I can help you with? I'm Richard Butler. and I'll talk to you very soon.